Hello guys, this is Shop Mimware here, and inside this video I'll clear you the product Take It. Firstly, let me give you a very big thank you for watching this video, for giving your precious valuable time to watch this video. Inside this video I'll clear you the product from every aspect. I will show you the product totally from inside and give you a detailed overview of this product. Okay, though this product is very simple, it will not take very much time to show you the product, and also you will be given some good bonuses, some valuable bonuses, huge bonus pack from my website if you purchase it from my website. Okay, so I will clear you the bonus part on the later part of the video, but let me start with the product now. So let me give a brief about this product. This product is all about make money online, and this is a very simple product. You can clone any pages, any web pages or any others website, any web page you want, like CNN website, like other website, like any popular website. Let me choose any news website. Okay, so you can put their website and you can earn money. You don't have to give time to make contents, or give time to make funnel pages, lead pages, sales pages, not something like that, but you can go with any others blogs or posts and you can make money. And this tool is also very cheap. Okay, so let me start with the first option. Okay, let me show you from the very beginning. This is the training tutorials. Inside training tutorials, the training will be given, and once you have purchased it, obviously this is the training and these are the trainings. And inside these trainings, the tool is pretty much simply taught, or the teaching is given about the tool. Okay, and I have gone through the first training and the tool is totally revealed to me. And let me show you the second option now. Inside the second option, this is the campaign option. So let me start with the first option, the create new campaign, sorry. And let me clear you that this is the best option inside this tool, and this is the only fundamental option inside this tool. And inside this option, everything is given about this tool. So let me put any campaign name. Let me put here toy. Let me put any random clone link. Okay, so you can take any others website or any others blog posts, that is why, and you can monetize that page or that stuff. Okay, that is why this tool is named as Take It. Okay, so I am taking others link, and let me choose now any template. You can choose any template and you can click on preview to see the template, how the template will be looking. Okay, so this is a join our mailing list this is the image and icon combination template, and this template looks pretty cool. So you can place any background image, you can place here any PNG image, and you should try any PNG logo for your branding or for your knowing people about something like that stuffs. Okay, so let me put here any headline. Okay, this will be any random headline, any random button text. Okay, inside button you can put here download this. Inside description you can put here anything. So after putting all of the stuffs, you can put here your redirect URL. Okay, you can put here your affiliate link, your any link, your product link, your course link, or anywhere you want to visit the people. If you want to visit the people on your YouTube video, you can redirect them by pasting here the link. Let me put here, for the example, let me put here normal Google link. Okay, so I have put here the Google link, and you can select the mailing service. But let me clear you that this tool provides mailing service, mailing capturing, lead capturing facility inside it by default. But you can use furthermore any other mailing service like Aweber, Campaign Monitor, GetResponse, iContact, MadMimi, and Mailchimp. This is not known to me. Okay, so Mailchimp, these are the populars, and this is not known to me, but maybe this is also a popular mailing service. So you can integrate your previously done or previously purchased mailing service inside it if you want to. Okay, so the next one is pop-up setting. You should enable the social, sorry, let me correct myself. You should use the social sharing button. If people want, they can share your post or share your blog or share your link. Okay, basically that will be others link, but it will be shared as it is your. So you can change it. You can change the pop-up facility, pop-up coming facility, on scroll pop-up. That means while people scrolling, the pop-up should come or not. Delay pop-up, the delay time, how much after how much time the people should see the pop-up, or the mouse out pop-up, like when someone tries to leave the website or something like that, like their cursor is going to or tends to going the upper side, or closing the tab or something like that, then the pop-up will come. Okay, you can put here any countdown timer also. So this is also a good feature and facility. You can put here if you want to. I don't want to here. So then you can animate the pop-up also. Okay, but it comes with the upgrade facility. In this inside front-end facility, they are not giving the animation feature. So let me click on save and publish now. So I have created the camping toy. So now let me see my camping, my done camping. Okay, so this is the toy camping. You can see this page I have covered here. I have taken this page from here, and this page is showing here by the tool or by the people. In my suggestion, I would like to say you to use the viral content, to use the trending content like news content, to use this tool. After purchasing the tool, you should use the news or something like techie news, something like viral news. You can use inside it, and you can gain more and more traffic inside your link. Okay, so there are some more facilities also, like you can check your opt-in servers. Okay, so let me clear you one thing also, that you can get leads inside this tool, as well as you can sell stuffs inside this tool. Both stuffs are compiled inside this tool within just few bucks, $7 approximately. And this is really insane, that how can thing like that the pop-up facility was very much old thing, and this guy, this owner, or Brandon Mace, okay, so this is the owner of this tool, and he has something unique. He has thought something unique. Okay, he just created the pop-up to capture others blog and other popular blog, like you can use their domain ranking facility, others websites, and you can gain your good sales, and also you will have also a good list building, like email lists. Okay, so these all features are like upsells, max commission, automated webinar, and opt-in. Sorry, this is not this. I am on the opt-in subscriber here now. So these are the leads. So this was the tool, and let me start with the now review section, like all are the upsells, and also most importantly my bonuses, the ratings, all stuffs. Okay, so this is the ratings. Inside feature and facilities, it has got 98%, because this tool has small features, but those features are really valuable. Each and every features are really valuable, and they are put for any reason. Okay, there is no junky feature. Okay, that's why this kind of good rating. Performance 99, ease of use 98, value for money 100, and market hits 98. Overall, it has got 9.9 out of 10, which is an extremely outstanding rating, our performance. And you can check out this tool within just $6.93. You can use this tool within this. You should use this tool. You should purchase this tool within this launch period to get the best offer and dealings. Okay, you will be given also 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee, and this is totally inspected by Warrior Plus. So you should have nothing to worry, and you will be also given huge valuable bonuses. This is from my side. I will show you the bonus part now. Okay, so these are all of the description. You can check out this video to know more about this tool. In my words, this is a really inspiring and good earning tool, because this tool really inspired me. That a simple idea is how can use a simple idea to this pop-up idea is very simple to capturing leads, but it is used as they just compile the domain facility inside this pop-up facility. You can use the others website domain rank, high domaining rank websites inside this pop-up to capturing the leads to sell your product. Okay, this is a very cool idea, and it is also a time-saving tool. You don't have to think about content writing or something like that, and it is meaningless to say about this ridiculously cheap product. Okay, this is meaningless to say. And lastly, I would like to say this is strongly recommend for anyone who want to make money online. This will be a really profitable tool and maybe a permanent tool of their tool bags. So this is the front end product price and all are the upsells given here. You can check out if you want to. I want you to visit this page from the video description. You can click the video description link, you will be redirected to this page and you can check out the tool and also my bonuses. So inside case studies, you will be given 4 live case studies that will help you to grow more online. Inside Facebook and YouTube help, you will be given some Facebook and YouTube stuffs. Inside software, you will be given 7 softwares: Backlink Warrior for backlinking, SEO stuffs, website ranking. Social Ultima will help you to gain traffic from social media. Video Hub will help you to strong your video part or capturing video stuffs. Okay. Gram Suite will help you to for Instagram, and lead generation authority will help you to generate leads, like this kind of stuffs, like take it stuffs. You will also be getting leads. Article analyzer will help you to correcting your metadata or something like that, and Ninja Keyword will show you your keyword research. Okay, so these are the ebooks. This will be also given to you totally free, and as the upsells are costlier, you will be given some costlier and valuable more bonuses from my website. If you purchase any upsell from my website, you will be given 200 plus softwares, 75 plus plugin, 1k plus high quality graphics images, 1.46k doodle images, and 100 miscellaneous product with resell rights. You can resell them as you are the owner, and also 3 PC games will be given to you, but it is restricted to first 10 members only. So you have to take step ahead if you want to get the full bonus pack. Okay, and also those who are coming first, they should be served first. They should get the more profit. That is why my philosophy, or that is my philosophy, and sometimes I forgot what to say because my English vocabulary is not so strong. And after purchasing the product, you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus account. There you will be given this blue button, this exact blue button named as Access Affiliate Bonus. This will redirect you to the product, to my bonuses. After purchasing the product, you can do that thing only. Okay, so that was the product overview and also my bonuses overview. And if you are previous buyer from my website, you want to change your bonuses, you want to get some another bonuses like 150 more softwares or something like that, you will be given that also if you are a previous buyer. Or obviously if you are previous buyer, then then only that opportunity or facility. Okay, so I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.